Two not so talked about Roth IRA conversion impacts that most people don't consider until it's too late. What I'm referring to is on here, if you are married and you have an IRA and you've thought about converting that to a Roth IRA, one thing to keep in mind is when that first spouse passes away, if they have a large IRA or 401k, the surviving spouse will inherit an inherited IRA. Now, that surviving spouse will still have to pay taxes because it still is an IRA when they withdraw the money. Also, now that they are just a surviving spouse, they're in the single tax bracket, so there will be more taxes for that same income level. And also, they lose out on about half of the standard deduction, which also creates more taxes. In another scenario, if there are no spouses and there is no marriage, and that person passes away with an IRA or 401k, the heir or heirs inherit an inherited IRA, and they will also have to pay taxes on there. They do get up to 10 years to take all the money out. Or if the person that passed away that gave that inherited IRA was already taking RMDs, then those inherited IRA accounts have to take RMDs in addition to the 10-year policy. However, if there is a Roth IRA converted when people were married and that spouse passes away, the spouse gets a inherited Roth IRA. So now when that money is taken out, it is tax-free for that spouse on there. Also, if someone does pass away and there is no spouse, then the heir or heirs get a inherited Roth IRA. There are no RMD rules on that. You get up to 10 years to take that money out, and that money is also tax-free. So if you think about doing Roth IRA conversions, especially if you're married, I would highly consider what would happen if you pass away, if your spouse passes away, and what kind of legacy or estate do you want to leave to your heir or heirs as well.